Welcome back to my channel, friends. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and organizing this new vanity that we purchased for our small bathroom downstairs. So if you're needing some organization tips or some cleaning motivation, keep on watching. Alright, so the first things first, I'm just turning on some jams and then I'm getting started on the cleaning. So I'm going to speed through this pretty quickly. So for our trashes, I like to reuse the grocery bags, and then to deodorize, I'm just taking this room spray and spraying it directly into the trash can. And now I'm just organizing this little caddy that I have on the toilet. Next, moving on to the vanity, but first I'm wiping down my cell phone with the Clorox wipe, because how often do we clean our cell phones, right? I recently went to the Dollar Tree and picked up a few fall items, so these were a few things that I picked up. If you didn't catch that haul, it is up on my channel, but now I'm just going through and taking all the tags off. And now I'm just going to go through and dust a couple areas in here. As you can see up close, there is a lot of dust. Many times the camera doesn't pick it up, but there you see it. And now moving on to the organization part of this, I'm just going to take you through and show you the before within the vanity. To get started, I'm just going to empty everything out, and then if this was dirty, I of course would give it a good wipe down, but because it's new, I don't need to. But I'm taking these liners that I got from the Dollar Tree. I love these things, just because it protects the surface of any spills or drips. And I'm just going to line the bottom of this vanity as well as all the drawers. I picked up these white storage bins from the Dollar Tree specifically for underneath this sink, and I was so bummed because they didn't end up fitting. But the good news is I shopped around my house and I found a couple other pieces that worked well. So for the organization part, I'm just putting like items together, and then you'll see me kind of rearrange things to where it fits better and to where it works out. So sometimes you just kind of have to play with things until it works. In here I'm just rolling up some washcloths. You can't really see too well in this shot, but I will show you later. So that's another tip, is if you've got some linen, you can fold them up and make them look nice. Moving on to the drawers, I apply the same techniques when I'm organizing these. So I'm lining the insides with this liner, and then I'm putting like items together and just making it look as neat and clean as possible. So now that the vanity's done, here's the mess that I'm left with. So I'm just gonna clean this up really quick before moving on to the floors. This is all behind the scenes stuff that doesn't always get included in my cleaning videos, so I thought why not include it. Moving on to the floors, I'm just giving it kind of a dry dust with this little sweeper thing, and then you can also get this piece wet, so that's what I do. I don't even know what brand this is. I got this so many years ago, but it's pretty much like most wet mops that are out there today. Just to remind you what it looked like before and how it looks now. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I have a lot more videos coming your way, as well as a fall decorate and clean with me.
Innocent say I keep on track.